Hi friends, welcome my channel Express Electronics. Express Electronics always review updated and expensive electronics gadgets. In this video we are going to look at the top 5 best listed products available on the market every day. We made this list based on our own opinion research and custom reviews. We have considered the quality features and values. We focused on lower to mid-price options from brands you can purchase directly online, though we did include a couple of recommendations for more expensive listed products. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, let's find out.
At number 5. Hantek DS02D15 Digital Storage Oscilloscope, 2 channels, 150 mHz USB Oscilloscopio, 1 XA per second sample rate meter, 32 kinds of auto measurements with statistics, real-time statistics of maximum. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price can be changed at any time. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more video. At number 4. New FNIRSI 1013D Digital Tablet Oscilloscope, Dual Channel 100M Bandwidth, 1 GS Sampling Rate Mini Tablet Digital Oscilloscope, Capacitive Touching Screen. The same as the touching mode of modern mobile tablet. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. If you want more information about this product, please check description box link below. At number 3. Micsig SATO 1004 Digital Tablet Oscilloscope, Handheld 100 MHz for CHSTO 1004 Portable Automotive Scope Meter Oscilloscopio Touch Button, Bandwidth 100 MHz. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price can be changed at any time. At number 2. UNI-T Digital Oscilloscope, USB UTD 2202 CEX plus Dual Channel, 200 mHz 1G, Sampling Rate High Voltage Pro PC LCD Portable Oscilloscopio, Multi-language optional with 9 languages. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. At number 1. Hantek Digital Oscilloscope DS02C102C15 2D10 2D15, 2 channels, 100 mHz 150 mHz storage USB Oscilloscopio Portable Multimeter Tester. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. If you want to buy this product, please check description box. Thanks for watching and see you again for new videos.